and welcome back to my channel. If you see anything in this video you like, no, just kidding, click like and subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified of my next video. So how's everyone doing? Whew, it is hot. I'm hot. And according to my hubby, I'm also conceited. Just kidding. Yeah, so how was your weekend? It was a beautiful long weekend. Normally our May long weekend is around the 24th of May. This year it was just this past weekend. So the weather was beautiful because normally when it's at the end of the May, it rains, it's cold sometimes. Yeah, so anyway, so it was a really nice weekend. I actually went out Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Today is May 19th, I think, Tuesday, 2020. So, yeah, we went out every day. Went to Walmart, I wore my mask. A lot of people were not wearing masks. Some of the staff was, some weren't. I don't know. But anyway, so what did I buy? I actually have a yarn haul from Walmart. Okay, it's only one skein of yarn. I know Neva from Manic Mom is going to say, that's not a haul, that's only one. She said that about my wish list one time. I had one item on there. She said, that's not a list. I just love that girl. Anyway, since I mentioned her channel, her link will be in the description box. Go check her out. Alrighty. Yeah, so I bought one skein. It's the Bernat Handicrafter Cotton. I did not see it in these colors before. I'm like, hey, I like those. Okay, so it requires, well, they suggest a 5mm hook. It's a medium 4 weight, 340 gram, 573 yards. And so I thought, hey, I'm gonna buy this to make a bag. It's cotton. So that's my yarn haul. And this is my WIP. This is my WIP. Look at that. I really love the way this is working out. I really do. This is a bag a day pattern, so I'll link the pattern in the description box below. It's going to be, I mean, look at how it's working up. It's going to be a big one. Yes, it is. So yeah, I actually started with a different yarn on Saturday and I kind of liked it, but I don't know. I don't know what was wrong. But anyway, so I frogged it and I switched to this one. So yeah, I think it looks really nice. Probably use it as a project bag or whatchamacallit, you know, shopping bag or something. Yeah. So it was asked for a 5mm. I'm using a 5.5 actually to do this. Anywho, oh, what was I gonna say? Oh, you know what? I have an update on our brother-in-law. Those who have been following me know that he had cancer. He was in the hospital. They only gave him a week to 2 weeks to live. They said the chemo wasn't working. His kidneys were shutting down, all that. He would never go home. Well, he's been home now since before Easter. And so Saturday, we went to visit him. He lives out of town. Once you're out of the city, this is Winnipeg, it takes about 45 minutes to get to his place. And so we just surprised him. And he is bedridden. He's got to kind of learn how to walk again, or get his legs moving. His legs are moving, his arms are moving, but he's not able to really walk. He says kidneys were, you know, might as well say they're back to normal. The cancer that the chemo wasn't working on, well, cancer's almost gone. That's what he said. It's almost gone. It's like, you know, I asked you all to pray and you did. And I just praise God for all the miracles and the healing that's happening to Brad. And it's just, you know, there's always hope. Never give up. Never stop praying. Oh, it's just wonderful. So yeah, we visited with him for a couple of hours, and his wife and his daughter, and his friend was there, and his daughter's man and their little baby. Yeah, it was a really nice visit, really nice. So yeah, so also on the weekend we went to Canadian Tire, and they had some plants and stuff out, so I picked up a couple of plants. I'll insert a couple of pictures at the end of this video of the flowers that I got. And one's a salvia, Red Hot Sally it's called. It loves direct sunlight. It's beautiful. And then I got another one called Bacopa. And it's one of those plants that kind of grows up and then it goes over. It's great to put in pots because it hangs over the edge. And it's likes direct sun as well. So that's... Anyway, once I have them planted in the pots, I'll show them to you. I still have them in their little trays, because normally here in Winnipeg we don't plant our flowers until after May long weekend, which is normally after May 24th, because usually that weekend they can get very cold and rain and just be miserable. Usually, almost always. So maybe that's why they had May long weekend a week early. I don't know. But it sure was a beautiful weekend. I mean, it was in the 70s. I'll talk to you in American terms. Fahrenheit in the 70s. Tomorrow, I think, and the next day it's going to be in the 80s. So, yeah. Awesome. Yeah, beautiful weather. So that's mid-20s to high 20s Celsius. So, yeah. So, yeah, I don't think I'm going to plant the flowers until after this coming weekend. And also, I'll plant my garden after this coming weekend. I usually, well, actually, I only planted a garden last year. Hadn't planted one for years, but hubby and I had made the above ground raised flower or garden for one, and then a flower bed thingy for the other, which I made a little village in. I do have pictures on my channel here showing the little village I made. I'm gonna have to redo it all because everything over the winter just, you know, got kind of damaged and messed up from all the snow and the cold and everything. So I'm going to redo it and show you that as well, because I not only crochet, I do other crafts too. So let's see, I'm just looking at my list here. I think I've covered everything. So I'm trying to catch up on people's videos. Oh my goodness, I am really behind on some, but I'm catching up. So what businesses are open where you're from? Our hairdressers were open last week. When did I get my hair cut? Oh my goodness. Anyway, whenever it was, I got my hair cut. Which I'm so happy for. Oh my goodness, it feels so much better. So this week, it seems like other businesses are opening up. You know, I don't know. Some, I think it's too soon. They're trying to do the self-distancing, but I have to tell you that Wal-Mart was actually, they've been open through this whole thing, as far as I know. But I only went last, whatever day that was on the weekend. And they're just laying all kinds of people in, not just few at a time. And people just aren't wearing their masks. Like I said, like the customers, not even all the staff are wearing them. So I don't know, like this thing is not over, people. It's not over. So I'm thinking the numbers are going to go up for people who are infected. So yeah, just still be careful out there if you go. Yeah. So I kind of wanted to go to my local thrift store today, and I checked online. It says they are open till 4. But I don't know. If I do decide to go, I will wear my mask. So I'll see. I just want to take a look around because I haven't been in there for so long. And I just need to buy more junk. Sorry. I think of it as junk sometimes, not just because it's from a thrift store, but because I don't need any more junk in my house. I have so much stuff. But it's fun to go and look around, right? And I will wear my mask to protect everyone. In case I'm a carrier, I don't know if I'm a carrier because you can have it without symptoms. So anyway, so if I go check it out and I buy something, I will surely let you know. And yeah, so that's it. That's it. I'm going to upload this and then I'm going to maybe walk there. All right, so thank you all for joining me today. It is so good to see you. You guys look fantastic. All right, yeah, so let me know how everything's going with you and what stores are opening up. Someone said that their state didn't even close. So, yeah, I think that was Madonna. I'll put her link in the description box. I'm almost positive it was Madonna that said that. So, yeah, so bye for now, guys. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.